So in this problem, we're really asked, or we really have to figure out what is a Faraday of electrical charge. Well, a Faraday of electrical charge, we're taking the amps, multiplying it by time, and then using Faraday's constant. So an amp times a second is a coulomb, and using Faraday's constant, that's going to give us ultimately the moles of electrons. And so 0.2 Faradays of electrical charge means it's 0.2 moles of electrons that are being transferred. So in that Chem 101 problem, or in this Chem 101 problem, we've got 0.200 moles of electrons times 1 mole of nickel for every 2 moles of electrons times 58.693 grams of nickel per mole of nickel. All right, and going back through, our units cancel, and that will give us our answer in grams of nickel.